How to buy Dogecoin cryptocurrency for beginners. Easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can buy Dogecoin on Binance. So let's get into it. Now I'm using Binance because it is one of the leading cryptocurrency platforms and it has a lot of different crypto tokens you can buy for. It has multiple different ways that you can buy crypto token. So that is why I like to use Binance. You can use CoinMarketCap, you can use Coinbase. The process is pretty similar and some of the basic methods of purchase are going to be pretty much the same on other platforms as well. Now, let's get into it. Now, Dogecoin is one of the leading, new tokens that has, potential for growth, and a lot of people want to invest in Dogecoin simply because of high investment potentials and high return on investments. So to get started, you have to create your Binance account, and you can simply create your Binance account with your email. So you're just going to register your email. Once you have registered your email, the second step is most important, and that is identity verification. So once you have registered your email, you're just going to go into the identification section and you will have to verify your identity. Now, this is an essential step because if you do not verify your identity, you will not be able to use, a lot of the different features that come with cryptocurrency platforms. And especially on Binance, you cannot trade or hold or buy crypto until you have verified your ID. So you can use a driver's license, passport, or national ID to verify your identity. It usually takes 48 hours to verify your account. And once that has been completed, now we can go on ahead and buy Dogecoin. Now, there are multiple different ways that you can buy it. First off, I'm going to tell you guys the way that you can get it for the cheapest price. Now, this is slightly more complicated than the other methods, so it is a bit difficult for newbies or, beginners to grasp onto this. However, it is the method that will yield you the lowest price. So if you want to be able to, get the lowest price, then it is best that you use this method. So for this, you're going to go into your wallet and you can click on Fiat and Spot. And you're simply going to deposit. You're going to click on deposit over here. And then you can select a currency that you want to deposit into your account. And then, you're going to select the currency that you're going to be using in your bank transfer. Then you're going to click on continue. Then you're going to enter the amount of USD that you want. So let's say we want to invest 89 USD, so we're going to put in 89 USD and it will show you what you will receive. So we will receive 89 BUSD. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I want to buy Dogecoin. What is BUSD? Well, BUSD is kind of like the dollar version on Binance. So you're just going to use this fiat. So once you have your 89 fiat, you're going to click on continue over here. I'm just going to enter your bank information, and then I'm going to show you how you actually convert this BUSD, where you're directly converting it from USD to BUSD, how you're going to get this into your actual Dogecoin. So to do that, you're simply going to go into the trade section. Now, a simpler way is to go into Binance Convert and simply select your BUSD. So you're going to select BUSD from here, and then below that, you're just going to select Dogecoin. So select Dogecoin. We're going to put in 89 and then it will show you how many Dogecoin you will be getting. So you're going to click on preview conversion. This is going to give me 1,494 Dogecoin, showing me the exchange rate that I'm getting at, the payment method, the transactional fees if I'm getting any, and this will be the overall transaction. So you can see I'm getting, 1492. Now, if you want to lower the price of Doge and probably get a couple of more Dogecoin, then you're going to go into your trade section and you're going to, the first step pretty much the same. You're going to go into your actual, wallet, go into spot/fiat, deposit that spot, and then you're going to go into trade. You're going to click on spot over here. So this will open up a crypto chart, and don't get confused. And I'm going to simplify this step by step. So once the crypto chart is opened, you're going to click on the right side over here and you're going to search for Dogecoin. And you're just going to search it for Dogecoin/BUSD and you're going to select that from over here. Once you have done that, you will see the graph for the Dogecoin prices. And on the left side of your screen, you actually see this is the price that people want to buy Doge at, and this is the price it's going for. And you're simply going to click on spot over here. Now you're going to enter the price you want to buy Doge at. So currently the going price is 0.05957, and let's say I want to buy at 50. So I can put in the order for 50 and I can enter how many Doge I want to buy. And then after that, it will show me the total amount of USD it will take me. So I can simply click on buy Doge, and this will put in the open order. And as soon as the price reaches that level, it will give me the Doge. So this allows you to buy at a certain price and invest your crypto in a way that is going to be profitable even in the short run. So this will give you the lowest price possible for Dogecoin, and it's super simple and easy. Just because it is on the crypto charts, it doesn't mean it's supposed to be difficult. It's relatively simple for most people to do, but if you still feel like this is too much of a hassle for you and you don't want to go in charts and trading, you just want to simply buy Dogecoin as soon as you create your Binance account. So there is a method for you as well. Don't worry about that. You can simply go on ahead, go into buy crypto. So just log on to your Binance account. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on buy crypto, and you have multiple different options. So first off, you're going to select the currency of your choice, the one that you are going to be using to pay for your crypto. I'm going to continue with USD. Then you first have bank transfer. So if you go onto bank transfer, you're going to select your currency. As I showed you guys previously, it's pretty much the same as buying spot or fiat. So you're going to be buying spot and fiat. First, we're going to buy fiat currency such as BUSD, and then convert that later on into Dogecoin. So in this way, you're pretty much doing the same thing, buying fiat and then converting that into Dogecoin. Now, the next way that you can buy Dogecoin is simply by using your credit or debit card. So you're going to click on buy crypto over here, click on credit/debit card. And once you've clicked on credit/debit card, you're simply going to select the currency that you have present in your credit or debit card. Then you're going to select Dogecoin from over here. So we're going to select Dogecoin in the lower section. Then you're going to enter the dollar amount that you want to spend. Let's say I just want to spend $15. Then I will simply click on continue, and then you can simply enter your card info. And once you enter your card info, you can click on continue and go on ahead and purchase Doge. Now, usually this yields you probably the highest price out of all the methods because it has like a very standardized conversion. It's a very approximate conversion for around 0.06. However, if we actually went on ahead in the spot chart, so if I go into the spot charts and open Doge for BUSD, now you can see that for I'm paying quite a premium. So the current price is 0.059 and I'm paying 0.06 for Dogecoin. So you do end up paying a little more for the token, although for some people it might be a negligible amount. Now after that, you also have P2P trading, where you can simply buy from another person. So for this, you can go into P2P. Then you can see you're going to click on Doge over here from the top. And then you will see different people that are selling Dogecoin. So you will see different payment options as well. So make sure you take a look at the payment options, because this is the payment that you're going to be sending to another person. It's not going to be to Binance. So you have to make sure that it's compatible with you. Usually I would recommend choosing the fiat that is compatible with your native country. You can also choose your native country to find sellers where you're going to be able to make payments more easily to them. Now, after that, the other way that you have payment methods available for purchasing Doge is third-party payment. So you can go on to a third-party payment and select Doge from here. So you can see you have Banksa payment, where you can simply link your Visa, MasterCard, or bank transfer to Banksa and then pay via their application as well. So in this way, you can buy Dogecoin on Binance and follow these methods for any other platform as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.